Hi kids, it's Dr. Tamara Fackrell here from ceheroes.com, here to show you another fun project about how to make puppets for the communication animals. This will help you follow along well with the books. You just need to print the printable on ceheroes.com, and then we're going to cut them out. And I like to cut out the big and then do the detail after. This is also a great way to have little people help doing the big cut, and then if parents need to help, they can do the smaller detail of the cut. Great, so got that cut out, and then we're gonna just put the elephant right here on our paper bag. And then the body underneath. And there we have our elephant puppet for the kids to use to follow along with the books. And you can make them of every animal. And it's really fun for the kids to be able to follow along. So I hope you have fun with these puppets that we've created for you guys to help the books come alive and the communication animals mean something really special to you. I'll see you guys next time.